Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 powerful BigQuery hacks using the qualify clause. If you have been writing long subqueries or struggling with filtering window functions, this video is for you. We'll walk through real examples using row number, rank, dense rank, and more, all without using a single subquery. So let's dive in. In this first example, we have a simple sales dataset with product names, categories, and revenue. Our goal is to find the top selling product in each category. Normally, you would write a subquery to get the rank and then filter it. But with qualify, we can skip the subquery entirely. So, let me add row number over and then partition by category and then we'll order by revenue in descending order. Let's name it as rank R and K. Okay, order. Okay. There is syntax error. Revenue category. Okay, and then we'll write qualify where rank is equal to 1. Let's run it. So here, row number ranks the products by revenue in each category. And then qualify filters only the top products per group. So now let's see the next one. So what if we want top 2 products per category? That's where rank comes in. So we'll write rank over partition by, we'll do partition by category and order by, we'll do revenue in descending rank. Okay, and then we'll write qualify rank is less than equal to 2. Let's see if we get the results. So you can see where rank is equal to 1. So here, because we are using the rank function, instead of row number, ties are preserved. You'll get both laptop and tablet if they tie for the top spot. It's super useful for leaderboards. Now this one is a classic example. You want to find the most recent order per customer. Again, we'll use row number and qualify to make it simple. So we'll use row underscore number over partition by customer order by order underscore date in descending order, and we'll give a name row underscore num as the name of the column. Now what we want to do is we'll use qualify where row underscore number num is equal to 1. So as you can see from the data, the recent one will be this Alice. Again, customer, case of customer. Again, this one based on the revenue. Let me change this a bit. And now let's run. So you can see that we partition by customer and order by order date in descending order and grab the top row using the qualify. This way it's cleaner than writing a subquery with max date. Now let's make it a bit more interesting. Suppose we want the latest order per customer only if the amount is greater than 150. For that, we'll use row underscore number over partition by customer order by order underscore date in descending as rank, and then we say qualify rank is equal to 1 and amount greater than 150. So look at how qualify lets us chain multiple conditions. This would be so much messier in a CTE or a subquery. So it's clean, readable, and powerful. Finally, let's say you want to find the top reviewers for each product based on rating. But you want to allow ties. For example, if two reviewers give the same high rating, so here we'll use dense rank over partition by product order by rating in descending order as rank. Qualify rank is equal to 1. The product A will have two products, these rows, and for product B we'll have this row. Oh, this row. Yes, for product B we'll have this row. So, dense rank ensures that ties are not skipped, so both top reviewers are included. This is perfect for feedback systems and app ratings. So, here you can see 5 powerful ways to use qualify in BigQuery. No subqueries, no CT clutter, just clean and readable SQL. If you find this useful, hit like and subscribe, and let me know in comments if you want more such BigQuery tips like these. See you in the next one.